Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python GUI. We'll start by understanding the fundamental concepts that drive graphical user interfaces, like widgets and event handling. Then, we'll explore popular Python frameworks, helping you choose the right one for your projects. Finally, I'll guide you on how to begin with practical, small-scale applications to solidify your learning and build confidence. Selecting the right framework is crucial for your GUI development. Tkinter is a fantastic starting point, as it comes pre-installed with Python and is very beginner-friendly. For more complex applications, or if you need extensive cross-platform capabilities, frameworks like PyQt or Kivy are powerful alternatives. Think about your project's specific needs and what kind of user experience you aim to create. The best way to learn is by doing. Begin with simple, achievable projects such as a basic calculator or a to-do list application. These projects help you apply concepts directly. As you progress, break down more complex ideas into smaller, manageable steps. Don't hesitate to experiment with various widgets and layout managers to see how they affect your interface's design and functionality. Once you've mastered the basics, consider diving into more advanced topics like integrating databases or implementing multi-threading for responsive applications. Leverage the vast array of online tutorials, official documentation, and active community forums for support and new ideas. Consistent practice is key to refining your skills and staying current with the evolving landscape of Python GUI development.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.